Hello guys, welcome on the Bali Indonesia YouTube channel. With you click the subscribe, like, comment and share buttons. You can help this channel to be better. Subscribe on. This channel is free guys, really is free. You can try. Thank you. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. This time I will discuss about one of the attractions on the island of Bali which is very amazing about the beauty of nature and culture. For those of you who have vacation frequently in Bali, this is not an unfamiliar place. Okay guys, this time I will discuss about the Sekumpul Waterfall. The main attraction makes Sekumpul Waterfall a famous tourist attraction to foreign countries because in the tourist spot Sekumpul Waterfall, you can not only see one or two waterfalls, rather, it is more and still in the category of hidden waterfalls in North Bali because it needs extra effort to reach the location of the waterfall. As the name implies, Sekumpul Waterfall consists of a group of waterfalls with a total of 7 waterfalls. Therefore Sekumpul Waterfall is named by a foreigner with another name 7-Point Waterfall, whereas the local people of the Sekumpul village refer to it as the Penuatan Waterfall. Of the 7 waterfalls, only 2 waterfalls are close to the main road, while the 5th waterfall, you need extra effort to reach the location. During the second rainy season, this waterfall will have a different color. The location of Sekumpul Waterfall is on Sekumpul village, Sawan district, Buleleng, Regency, Bali. From Bali's Ngurah Rai airport, the travel distance to the Sekumpul Waterfall tourist attraction is around 86 kilometers and has a travel time of around 2 hours 39 minutes. For those of you who are on vacation alone, it's good to hire a scooter motorbike to make it more efficient to shorten travel time because in the holiday season the road conditions will be very jammed. Motorbike rental fees and the cost of renting a motorbike is around 50,000 rupiah up to 100,000 rupiah depending on the type of small motorbike or large motorbike you rent. For those of you who are on vacation with your family, you can hire a daily tour service from many tour agents spread throughout Bali. Okay. Guys, please watch this video to complete so you can find out the beauty of this tourist spot and wait for the next tourist video from me.